Okay, for my Midlander and Odessians, I am giving out a $2,000 reward, no question asked, if you can help me locate a motorcycle. It was last seen last night at Mr. Key's Locksmith in Midland, Texas. It was stolen between the hours of 9:30 to 10:30 because we were there last night and we saw it, and it got stolen before opening at 8:30. I will put the plate, the U-Haul plate, and the information of where it was last seen. If you are in Midland and Odessa, like I said, I will give you $2,000, no questions asked.